Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Chef Jill Sienna and this is Chef Jill Does That. Remember to click the bell below to subscribe and stop by my website, chefjilldoesthat.com, for more tips and tricks to navigate your own kitchen. Today I'm going to show you easy roasted vegetables, a quick side dish for weeknights or for special company. It's completely customizable and you can alter it to any allergies or nutrition requirements that you have. But before we get started, let's see the ingredients and equipment you're going to need to do this. All right, now that we've got everything gathered, let's go. And there you go, you've made another dish by Chef Jill Sienna. If you need that again or a written copy of the recipe, feel free to click below to get to my website, chefjilldoesthat.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Chef Jill does that, and so can you.